Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance, and the Bitcoin local trade. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you not skip the post. I highly recommend you follow Telegram channel totally for free, all ideas, and follow Twitter, because in Twitter I can share just the local trades. It's not a signal. I'm not recommend you to chase anyone's signal. I just share my idea, and these ideas can be wrong or right. But when you just chase someone's signals, like a signal, anyway, at the end you will lose all your money, because first of all, you just spend money on a stupid signal group while you can educate yourself totally for free, build your own strategy. Maybe some analysis is a match with your analysis. So this was a good trade. 2 days ago I made a post and there was a reasons to open that trade, and I would like to explain why. Because we are in a local bounce uptrend. We formed the previous day high. We formed the 30 minutes fair value gap. We are waiting the sweep of Asia high and drop. Around here I posted the idea. I wait that target. So of course I can million times open the position here, but no, guys, you need to find the reason to open your position. You need to find the arguments, not just open randomly. So it was around like this one. It's a 70% stop loss, this one. So the arguments of 30 minutes time frame, fair value gap, sweep of Asia like this one, and drop to previous day low, because here we didn't sweep that low. Pretty simple. So 1 to 5 risk ratio. And the next step and next target is here. So the next step is here, around 54. First of all, I close the position, half position around here, then stop at break even, and close yesterday full position here. We drop it down lower, of course, but guys, I follow my plan. I don't chase the catch crazy ride, guys. This was a trade for Bitcoin, everything playing out perfectly well. So we still live the previous day high. Can we bounce like this one and go in higher? Make a reversal move and go in higher? Of course we can. More than real, guys. We just work with possibility. That's why when you open the trade, you have to follow your plan and the open position and close position in your targets, which you mark before you open trade. So to plan the trade the plan. And if you get a stop loss, it's okay. Any single stop loss is just a part of our job. So the people always share only the super positive trades, but guys, I so often get a stop losses, and it's okay, because the stop loss only usually it's like 0.5% and or 1%. So it's normal. And now I get a like 1 to 5 ratio. The next step is here, 54.40 sweep of that low. Capitulation, what we can see, and it's more than real also, if we drop and sweep that low, because we didn't test 48,663 and 43,886. So for me personally, it's going to be a perfect scenario if we dump to some of these areas. Why perfect? Because also I shared the ideas about geopolitics, about timing in Twitter. So I don't want to explain it one more time in video, so I highly recommend you don't skip the post. So by timing would be good to see that sweep, and bounce. Locally, yes, we can sweep just this one, hold the line around like 50, 54, 56 here in this range, like this one, and going higher. But for me personally, I wish to see something like this one and going higher. That's it, guys. So for Bitcoin, nothing special. We got at this range, what I would like to see, and this is the next top. What I waiting around October, November, mostly in October. I think we're gonna sweep the new all-time high for Bitcoin. Can we drop to like 38K? Of course we can, guys. It's just a rhetorical question, guys. Everything possible. We just follow the plan, build a plan, and follow that plan. So it's pretty simple. So my plan for Bitcoin, local trades playing out, waiting this sweep. I'm ready to open trades or here or here. I don't want to open trade in the area here. So this is for me this empty zone. So nothing special for Bitcoin. Let's take a look on Ethereum. Take a look. I showed you the example. So the FIB absolutely still the same FIB. So nothing changed, right? So we just track the updates. So this was a top and dump 61% in May 2021. But personally for me, it was the end of bull run for all crypto market, you know, because we pump it like, let's compare the percentage. So take a look. Last from COVID dump, we Ethereum pump a 4,800% gains, and we dump it 61% correction. Now we pump only 365% and dump 46%. That's why I don't think so. This is just like a cat bounce and we're going to the new bear market. Is it possible? So we're going to bear market? Yes, it's possible. The geopolitics, the macro situation in the world can shift all markets in a second. So that's why we need to work not only with the charts, we need to work with the risk management and the money management. So not invest the money what you're not ready to lose, for example, or freeze for next 2 years, for example. So guys, it's just basic money management things. That's why I don't think so. We will crash once again to 27 zone. So we got that zone, bounce, retest 2 times and going higher. Now we hold the line at 0.23 by FIB. So 46%. Basically, it's more than enough. The most capitulation zone where I can wait for Ethereum is tests of zero level, like 1,700. It will be 57% correction, but here we got like over than almost 5,000% pump and 61% correction. But here we got only 365 and 48, 57%. It will be the crazy dump. So imagine the people who hop in here because the influencers shield you, we go into the moon. Now they're in losses like almost 50% on a spot, guys. Accumulate in zone of interest, not in zone of distribution. So this was a zone of distribution. What's the point to hop in zone of distribution if you could accumulate it here? Of course, you can accumulate even now. It's only up to you guys. But for me personally, the zone for accumulation still here. If you compare, for example, the Ethereum and many other alts now, even under here, for example, I'm not talking about a meme tokens. I'm talking, for example, like normal tokens like 1 inch, for example, Algorand, DYDX. Yes, these coins looks like a scam, but I truly believe they will recover back. Even the people talk some random stuff about the Zilliqa. VeChain, this coin dump it because we lay down at the bottom. Guys, a lot of coins, altcoins lay down at the bottom because Bitcoin dominance. For Bitcoin dominance, I'm waiting that top. Unfortunately, we sweep it this high on a weekly time frame. So the next step can be here. Perfect scenario if we just sweep it and dump it back. Dump it because anyway, this is a wedge, you know, sooner or later we're gonna break it down and drop to the altcoin season zone. Sooner or later, guys. I marked the take profit indicator. Last time we didn't touch the take profit line, drop it to the buy line, retest the buy line. Now I hope we'll repeat the story and not touch the take profit line and drop it down to the buy line. And buy line will be till that time when we test it. I think it's going to be not like 33%. I think it's going to be around like 39, 40, 41. So this altcoin zone where we need to fix profit for altcoins. So guys, all zones for Bitcoin dominance still relevant. So 59, 65 now it's like a trigger. Ethereum zones still relevant. And take a look, take profit indicator. The capitulation here, I told you, can be the test of the buy line on the weekly time frame. Till that time in the next 3 weeks, for example, we can see 1,700. So it's going to be the flash crash for Ethereum for sure. So guys, if you would like to trade with my custom yourself, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.